Hey, what's up guys, it's Ray from RHRSwag showing you how to install our EGR Superguard Hood Shield on our 2015 GMC Denali. This installation is super easy with no drilling involved and it takes around 30 minutes to an hour. In the box you should get one EGR Superguard Hood Shield and one hardware kit. The tools needed to install this is a clean dry cloth, soap and water, non-permanent marker, pliers, and 2 Phillips head screwdrivers. The first step you want to do is wash the hood and the inside rim of the hood with soap and water. Then, with a non-permanent marker, mark the positions of the clip holes on the inside of your truck's hood, just like so. Place the adhesive cushion centered and even over the marks you just made on your hood, just like what Kenny is doing right now. Perfect, now it's time for the hardest part of the install. Put together the clips by placing the rubber pads on the inside of the clips. The rubber pads are on the inside of the clips because when it is assembled on your truck, the rubber pads are laying against your hood, making sure there is no scratches or dents from the hood shield. Now let's put together the clips securing bolts, using one bolt and one spacer. Put that aside for later. On the inside of your EGR hood shield, there should be places marked with a sticker. Take off the sticker and place a rubber bump stop. Repeat this step on all the stickers on your hood shield. Now it's finally time to put the clips on the hood shield. Place the clips on the marked pre-made holes on your hood shield, secure with the bolts you assembled earlier. Place the hood shield back onto your truck's hood. Make sure the clips latch onto your hood on top of the adhesive cushions. Tighten the 2 bolts on each of your clips with a Phillips head screwdriver. And just like that, you have installed the EGR Superguard Hood Shield. Also, make sure your rubber bump stops line up with the adhesive cushions. This makes sure your hood shield does not scratch your actual hood. The EGR Superguard Hood Shield not only looks cool, but also protects your hood and windshield from bugs and debris. It is made to fit your exact year, make, and model for a snug, tight fit. Made from impact modified OEM grade acrylic in dark smoke gloss or a matte black finish. Hopefully this helped you install your hood shield, and if you would like to learn more, go to RHRSwag.com.